friends, it's Miss Allie. I'm super excited about our lesson today because we get to know each other better. Today, we are going to make name tags. This is something we have done every year of school. And even though we're at our homes this year, we can still make name tags to share with each other. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's start with our learning target. It says, I can create a name tag that represents myself. So let's unpack that learning target. I saw the word create. Create means to make something using your imagination. So you can make a painting, you can make a pot, you can make anything using your imagination. That's what create means. We also saw the word represents. Represents means to show something using pictures. So the equation 2 plus 2 equals 4 is represented by flowers. They showed pictures of flowers to represent this equation. So let's go back to our learning target. I can make a name tag using my imagination that shows who I am in pictures. That's what we're doing today. So first, we are going to read a story called Alma and How She Got Her Name. This story is about a little girl learning about where her name comes from. Okay, friends, so let's read Alma and How She Got Her Name by Juana Martinez Neal. I'm going to move me over here so we can see the story. Alma and How She Got Her Name. Alma Sofia Esperanza Jose Porter Candela had a long name. Too long, if you asked her. Here's Alma writing her name. My name is so long, Daddy. It never fits, Alma said. Come here, he said. Let me tell you the story of your name. Then you decide if it fits. Sophia was your grandmother, he began. She loved books, poetry, jasmine flowers, and of course, me. She was the one who taught me how to read. Here is Alma's dad showing Alma the picture of Sophia, her grandmother. I love books and flowers. And you too, Daddy. I am Sophia. Esperanza was your great-grandmother, he continued. She hoped to travel, but never left the city where she was born. Her only son grew up to cross the 7 seas. Wherever her sailor son went, so did Esperanza's heart. Here is a picture of Esperanza. The world is so big. I want to go see it, Daddy. You and me together. I am Esperanza. Jose was my father, Alma's daddy said. He was an artist with a big family, like many people had back then. Early each morning, he walked to the mountains and the plazas to paint everyday life. Sometimes I went along. Your grandfather taught me to see and love our people. Here's Alma's grandfather, Jose. He's painting. I wake up early every day and I draw a lot too. This morning, I drew a kitty cat for you, Daddy. I am Jose. Pura was your great aunt. She believed that the spirits of our ancestors are always with us, watching over us. When you were born, she tied a red string around your wrist, a charm to keep you safe. Here is Pura, Alma's great aunt. Hello, Pura. It's me, Alma. Candela was your other grandmother. She always stood up for what was right. It says, escucha, piensa, denuncia. I am Candela. I love the story of my name. Now tell me about Alma, Daddy. Where does that come from? I picked the name Alma just for you. You are the first and only Alma. You will make your own story. Alma Sofia Esperanza Jose Pura Cantela. That's my name, and it fits me just right. I am Alma, and I have a story to tell. What is your story and what represents you? So, today we are going to make name tags. For this project, you are going to need some materials. You are going to need a white piece of paper, one pencil, and something to color with. You can use colored pencils, markers, or anything you have in your house. Here are the directions. You are going to take your white piece of paper and fold it in half to make a tent like this. Then you are going to make sure the open part is on the bottom. You are going to write your first and last name on one side of the paper and draw at least 4 pictures of things that represent you. When you are done, you can color your name tag. Then don't forget to take a picture of your name tag and upload your picture to Firefly so we can see it. I'm going to show you my picture of my name tag. My name is Miss Allie. So my name tag says Miss Allie. I colored my name in green because that's my favorite color. I also drew some pictures of things that represent me. So the first thing I drew were some vines and leaves. I love being in nature, and the vines and leaves represent me being in nature. I also drew a picture of my favorite food, chocolate ice cream. I love eating chocolate ice cream in a waffle cone. I also drew a picture of someone doing yoga. I love to do yoga. The person doing yoga is under the moon and the stars because I love learning about the moon and stars and space. I love the night sky. I drew a picture of a book because I love to read, and a picture of a puzzle piece because I love to make puzzles, really big puzzles with 1,000 or 2,000 pieces in them. I also drew a picture of a pot with something cooking inside of it. I love to cook. Every day I cook for me. I love to cook for my roommate, and I love to cook for my friends. I also drew a picture of a cat because I have a cat. Her name is Taro. So this is a picture of Taro's face. I cannot wait to see your name tag. Here are the directions again. And don't forget when you're done to take a picture of your name tag and upload it to Firefly. I can't wait to see your hard work and get to know a little bit more about you. Bye, friends.